Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all are healthy, wealthy, safe, and happy at home. Today, we are going to start our chapter number 1 from our computer book, Digital Voyage. Our chapter number 1 is Computers over the Years. Before starting the chapter, take out your pencil, scale, and eraser. With the help of your scale, write date and day here. Today is 7 July 2020 and day is Tuesday. Now let's begin the chapter. Take out page number 10. Our first topic is history of the computer. What is the history of the computer? The history of the computer is firstly the word computer, from where the word computer comes from. The word computer comes from the word compute. Computer word comes from the word compute. The meaning of compute is to calculate. What is the meaning of word compute? The meaning of word compute is to calculate. Basically, the meaning of computer is to calculate or to solve our mathematical problems. When computer was not there, it was so problematic for people to do mathematical problems or do some hard calculations. It takes too long and too long time to do calculations and many scientific work also. So before computer, there were many instruments or many devices to calculate, like abacus. First was abacus. Here I am going to show you a picture of abacus. This is the picture of abacus. These are some beads in rows. These are some rows and these black are some beads by which we can calculate numbers. And secondly, there came Pascaline. It is also a calculating device designed in 1642 by Blaise Pascal. The calculating device Pascaline was designed in 1642 by Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician. It was second calculating device which you can see in the picture, Pascaline. It is also used for calculating and for counting. Now third was tabulating machine. Tabulating machine was invented by Hermann Hollerith, a German-American mathematician. Tabulating machine was designed by Hermann Hollerith, a German-American mathematician, in 1890. It was an electrical device which could read data, proceed and then give accurate result. This is the picture of tabulating machine. You can see this machine can process data, could read them and give us output. It was third electronical or calculating device. Then came analytical engine. What is analytical engine? Charles Babbage, the father of the computer. Who was Charles Babbage? The father of the computer. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician who is regarded as the father of computing, designed this machine in 1850. This analytical engine was designed in 1850. It can print and it can give us output also. It was fourth calculating device. You can see in the picture, analytical engine. Then came ENIAC. John Mauchly and J. Presper Accord Jr. created the electronic numerical integrator and computer ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is electronic numerical integrator and computer, and it was designed in 1946 to 1955. It was in use from 1946 to 1955. It was high speed electronic digital computer. You can see the size of the ENIAC. It was a computer. It was fourth electronical or calculating device. This is ENIAC. Now come development of the computer. There are 5 stages of a computer. First generation of computer was from 1940 to 1956. In this time the computers were very large. You can see in the picture the computers were very large and consumed lot of electricity, and they were very expensive. Then second generation came in 1956 to 1963. This is the computer of second generation. In the second generation, vacuum tubes were used. These are vacuum tubes. In second generation computer, the vacuum tubes were used. These computers were smaller than first generation computer. These were more powerful and more efficient. Then third generation computer came. The third generation came from 1964 to 1971. The third generation computers were more powerful, more efficient, and they were more smaller than second generation computers. Then fourth generation computer came. The fourth generation is 1971 to from 1971 to onwards. Onwards means till now. Till now, which generation we are using is fourth generation computer. You can see this is monitor, this is keyboard, mouse and CPU. Which computer we are using? This is fourth generation computer. In fourth generation computer, microprocessor, binary numbers, these all things are used. What are the qualities of fourth generation computer? These computers are smaller. You can see the first generation computer size, the second generation computer size, the third generation computer size, and the fourth generation computer size. Fourth generation computer are more smaller than these three. These computers can run on network. They run on electricity. These are more powerful, more efficient, more time saver, and can do many work at the same time. We can play music, we can do mathematical problems, we can watch movies, we can do whatever we want with the fourth generation computer. Now fifth generation computer is about to come. What are the qualities? What will the qualities of fifth generation computers? The fifth generation computers will be called supercomputers. The fifth generation computers are still being developed. They have very high storage capacity, speed and efficiency. These computers are called supercomputers. They will have artificial intelligence also, which include robotics, games and systems to analyze problem and find solution. They are also used in healthcare system. These computers will also use in healthcare system. So these are 5 generation of a computer: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. Fourth generation are computers that we are using, and fifth generation is about to come, and this will called supercomputers. So that is your chapter number 1. history of the computer and the development of the computer. Now there is a small activity, page number 18, take out page number 18. There is a small activity which you can do. First generation. What was the time of first generation computer? 1940 to 1956. What are the special features of first generation computer? Used vacuum tubes and magnetic drums to store information. Now second generation computer. What was the time of second generation computer? 1956 to 1963. What are the special features? These computers were smaller, powerful, faster, energy efficient and used less energy. Then third generation. What was the time of third generation computer? 1964 to 1971. What are the special features? These computers were smaller, faster and could run more than one program at same time. Now fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computer's time is 1971 to till now. Till now means onwards. Special features of fourth generation computer: fast and efficient, can run on network and can do many things at the same time. Now fifth generation computer. Time of fifth generation computer is coming soon. Still not came. The time of fifth generation computer is coming soon. Special feature: artificial technology, new technology being developed. These are time and special features of first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. I hope all you understand. Please read the chapter carefully. Try to understand the chapter. Thank you.